Thank you, Chairperson. I was reluctant to make a contribution today because I'm part of the white minority in South Africa. But everyone was making a statement and I was feeling it is important. For me, AfriForum acted today as a white, black land first organization. They're definitely not representing the white minority in South Africa.
Not you one.
And what you did today was a disgrace for your own organization. And I'm telling you, you will feel that in future. The way you acted the previous months, the way you acted trying to fight for something you believe in, you will destroy yourself. Whether you like it or not, that will happen because South Africans are fair people and they judge, and when they judge harshly. But I do have a question. AfriForum was present basically at 95% of all the public hearings we had across the land. At every forum where I was, AfriForum spoke. Was there not a report back from those people who spoke to head office to report to you that South Africa, the majority of South Africans who attended those hearings, are hunger for land, and that is a problem that we all need to solve? And was there no report back to that? And if there was a report back, why don't you change your stance to be more progressive and trying to assist a problem we need to fix in this country?